Hi, this is Austin Harley with Fast Cash Offer US, and I'm here in Reston, Virginia, and we just closed on this property. Just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough to show you the types of homes that we buy. Right over there, you can see the staircase. So a little older carpet. We've already sent our team through here to clean out the entire property. There was a lot of stuff left over in it. We gave the seller the option to pick up, leave. He was actually moving to Florida in this situation. So he literally just packed a small bag and left his house. We closed in less than 2 weeks. You can see a lot of the windows are a little bit older. You can see the sliding glass back door needs to be replaced. Backyard is full of leaves. You can see the kitchen. Originally, there was a lot of stuff in here, probably about like 5 or 6 truckloads of things that we got out for the seller. And the bathroom is outdated. There's quite a bit of water damage. That's the half bath right there. And I'll actually go upstairs and show you the full bathroom. So you can see kind of the carpet. It's a little bit, outdated. There was a lot of damage to the roof, a lot of water damage over there. You can even see the ceiling is just sagging completely. And the house needs to get completely remodeled. You can see over here, there's quite a bit of mold being built up. So again, the seller had lived here for 20 years, just never maintenance the property. Wanted to pick up, move to Florida, and we offered him a cash offer, took care of everything in the house. So if you're interested in a cash offer, or even thinking about selling your house and just interested in how it would work, selling as is, no commissions, no fees, we'll pay for all the costs, then click on my website. I'll call you personally. We'll walk you through the process and see if we're a good fit.